Hey, come on. Let's go to the pond. Let's go. All right. Come on, let's go to the pond. Come on, Avery. Avery, come on. Come on. Come on, Avery. Come on, Bjorn. Let's go. Come on, Frankie. Come on, let's go. Excuse my pasture, it needs to be cut. That's what I'm doing today. Let's see if he gets in the pond. Come on, Avery. Bjorn's just in slow motion. He's not in a hurry to go anywhere. What you doing, buddy? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Pond's getting low. Oh, good grief. Yep. There he goes. Come on, Bjorn. Get it, Avery. Get it, Avery. Go get him. Come on, Bjorn. Oh, great. Got to poop.